In the previous session, we learned about drafting blank table. Here, in this problem, numerical data is given. Therefore, we have to fill the body of the table with the given numerical data, that is nothing but complete table. Now, anyhow, even though it is a complete table, first you have to draft a skeleton of a table, that is nothing but a blank table. Now, here see the problem. Out of the total number of 1500 graduates who were interviewed for employment in a software company at Bengaluru, 1075 were technicals and the rest were non-technicals. Amongst the men technicals, 300 were experienced and 325 inexperienced, while in case of non-technicals, the corresponding figures were 50 and 200. The total number of experienced graduates was 600, of whom 500 technicals. Of the total number of graduates, 625 women, and the number of inexperienced and non-technicals was 125. Tabulate. Now, here first we have to find out the characteristics given in the problem. Okay. Now, one of the characteristics is, first one is graduates. Now, under the characteristics, first characteristic is graduates. Now, under graduates, we come across technicals and non-technicals. These are the two aspects. One is technicals and non-technicals. Technicals and non-technicals. Okay. Now, amongst the men technicals, 300 were experienced and 325 inexperienced. Means another characteristics is experience. Experience, under that experienced and another one is inexperienced. Okay. Next, while in case of non-technicals, the corresponding figures are given 50 and 200. Then here see, here we come across men and here we come across women. Okay, that means another characteristic is sex, and that we come across two aspects, men and women. Okay, here these are the three characteristics given in the problem. Now, we have to take any two to the columns and remaining one to rows. Usually, we club the sex with any one of these. Now, we may take technicals, under that man, woman, total, or we may take men, under that technicals and non-technicals, women, under that we may take technicals and non-technicals, or under in the reverse way also you may take technicals, men, women, non-technicals, men, women, or men, technicals, non-technicals, women, technicals, non-technicals, in any way you may take. And this to the row we may take experience, inexperience, total. Okay, that we have decided. Then we have to decide the title. Here it is known to you, a satisfactory title must be capable of answering 4 questions. Now, the 4 questions are what the data are. Means data refers to what? Now, data refers to what? Graduate interview or graduates interviewed for a software company, or here graduate interviewers. You may take data refers to graduate interviewers, graduates interviewed. Now, graduate interviewed, then where data refers to graduate interviewed, then where It is in a software company at Bengaluru, isn't it? Graduates interviewed in a software company, Bengaluru. Now, when it is occurred, the year or the duration or time is not given, therefore nil. How classified? Classified on experience and sex. On experience and sex. Okay. Now you may give the heading. Graduates interviewed in a software company at Bengaluru, classified on experience and sex, are distribution of interviewed graduates in a software company at Bengaluru, classified on experience and sex. Here I will not going to write the title, that you may write. I am telling once again, distribution of interviewed graduates in a software company at Bengaluru, classified on experience and sex. You may take in the reverse manner itself if it is confused to you. Here you take interviewed graduates. Okay. Now, here we have decided to take first and last one to columns and experience to rows. Now, here I am erasing this one. I think you may follow later. Here I am erasing. Here give the table number. Here give the table number. I think in the previous session we took 3 tables. Now you give 4, table number 4. Here write the title, distribution of interviewed graduates in a software company at Bengaluru, classified on experience and sex. Now, we have to accommodate 2 characteristics, therefore we have to take sub-row for captions. Here we take experience, and here you may take technicals, and that men, women, total. Close this. I think, sorry, we cannot accommodate. Let us take little wider one. Let us start from here. Here give table number 4. Here we take experience to rows. Here take technicals, under that men, woman, total. Here close this. Next, non-technicals. Under that men, woman, total. Then here take total main column men, woman, total. Okay, here experienced, inexperienced, total. Okay. Now, here we have to fill with the given numerical data. Now, out of the total number of 1500 graduates who are interviewed for employment in a software company at Bengaluru, means out of total number of graduates who are interviewed, means this is the total main column total cell, means here total number of graduates interviewed 1500 out of who were interviewed for employment in a software company at Bengaluru, 1075 were technicals. Out of 1500, 1075 technicals, means technicals main column total 1075, and the rest were non-technicals. Rest means out of total graduates interviewed 1500, out of 1500, 1075 technicals, and rest non-technicals means 1500 minus 1075, that is 425 non-technicals total. Okay. Amongst the men technicals, that means amongst the men technicals, amongst the men technicals, 300 were experienced. Men technicals experienced. This cell, are you following? Men technicals experienced how much? 300. And 325 inexperienced. Men technicals and inexperienced 325. Men technicals inexperienced 325. This sentence is completed. Take the next sentence. While in case of non-technicals, we have to consider this main column, non-technicals. While in case of non-technicals, the corresponding figures were 50 and 200. Corresponding figures means non-technicals, men experienced 50, and non-technicals, men inexperienced 200. Okay, corresponding figures. Men technicals 300 were experienced, 325 inexperienced. Both are men, non-textile area, experienced, inexperienced. Okay. Now this sentence is completed. See the next sentence. The total number of experienced graduates was 600. Total number of experienced graduates. That means experienced total graduates. How many? Experienced total graduates, main total column total 600. This sentence is not yet completed. Of whom 500 technicals. Means out of 600 experienced 500 technicals. That means technicals experienced total. How many? 500. See, the total number of experienced graduates 600, of whom 500 technicals. 500 technicals. That sentence is completed. Take the next one. Of the total number of graduates, of the total number of graduates 625 women. Means total number of graduates, total column women, total column women 625, and the number of experienced non-technicals was 125. Here you have to observe, of the total number of graduates 625 women, here sentence is not completed, here it is a semicolon, that is the continuation, means out of 625 women, means here, and the number of inexperienced non-technicals was 125, means here it is women, and means here total number of graduates 625 women, same women you have to continue, and the number of inexperienced and non-technicals 125, means women, inexperienced and non-technicals, isn't it? Women and the number of inexperienced non-technicals, women, how much? Women 125, isn't it? Total number of graduates 625 women, and the number of inexperienced non-technicals was 125. Inexperienced non-technicals women 125. Okay. Now it is given tabulate. Now here one of the general rules of tabulations is what? Table must be complete. Here so many blank cells are there, you have to fill those. Now here you have to take one main column. See, this is the technicals main column. Here total technical graduates interviewed, total graduates interviewed, out of total graduates interviewed technicals 1075, out of that 500 are experienced, means remainings are inexperienced, means 1075 minus 500, it comes to how much? 575. 575 are inexperienced. Now here under technicals, men and experienced 300, men and inexperienced 325, therefore total men 625, 300 plus 325. Now out of 500 experienced, 300 men, means remaining 200, 500 minus 300, 500 minus 300, 200, they are women. Then out of 575, 325 inexperienced, out of 575 inexperienced, 325 men, means remaining is how much? 250. 325 plus 250, it comes to 575. 250 women. Now total women 200 plus 250 are 1075 minus 625, it comes to 450. Now this technicals main column is completed. In the same manner, now take non-technicals column. Now here in non-technicals area, men experienced 50 and inexperienced 200, therefore total men 250 plus 200, 250. Okay. Now in non-textile, inexperienced men 200, women 125, total inexperienced 200 plus, if you want, which are the columns you have filled, which are the cells you have filled, you may put like this dotted lines. Here 200 plus 125, 325. Okay. Now, out of total non-technical graduates of 425, 325 inexperienced, means remaining 425 minus 325, 100, they are experienced. Now, out of 100 experienced, 50 men means remaining 50 women. Now, here total women 50 plus 125 or 125 minus 250. It comes to 175. Take the total 250 plus 175, 425. Now, here total main column out of 1500 interviewed graduates, 600 experience, means remaining 1500 minus 600, 900 inexperienced. Next, out of 1500, 625 women, means remaining 1500 minus 625, it comes to 875. Take the total 875 plus 625. Here, otherwise, you may take in another way also. 875 total, that means total of technicals men and total of non-technicals men. 625 plus 250, 875. Now, if any two cells out of 3 are known, we may find the remaining one. Here we are knowing only one values. In that case, what we have to do? Here total men cell means what? Here total men, this one is experienced row. Here total men technicals experience 300 plus non-technicals men experience 50. Are you following? This total men, that means what? That is total experienced men interviewed graduates. Okay, that means both technicals and non-technicals, 300 plus 50, isn't it? That means it is 350. Now remaining you may calculate. Here 600 minus 350, it comes to 250. If you want to cross check, here see men experienced men, technicals women 200, technicals women 200 and non-technicals women, non-technicals women 50, total 250. Technicals experienced row, technicals women 200, non-technicals women 50, 250 or 600 minus 350, 250. Now here two cells values are known, we may take the difference, or in the same manner here also you may take. Now here out of 875, 350 men means men experience means remaining inexperience, means 875 minus 350, 525. Okay. Now otherwise you may take like this also. Men inexperience technicals 325 plus non-technicals 200, 525. Okay. Now here in the same manner, if you want to take women technicals 250, non-technicals 125, 375 or 900 minus 525, it comes to 375. Like this you have to fill the remaining cells remaining cells with the help of the given numerical data. Now, here the table is completed. Here as usual you have to write footnote. Footnote you have to write for expansion for the abbreviations use. M equals men, W equals woman, then E equals experienced, then IE equals inexperienced. Now you have to write the source. Here it is not the primary data you have collected, therefore you have to write the source. Now here the source you may write the problem given in the session by so and so, like that only you may write here. Okay. Now otherwise if you take from textbook, write the author and the title of the subject, or in the examination as I have told you, write the business statistics or quantitative decisional tools, University of Mysore question paper in the month of September, October 2020, like that you may give the source. I think you have followed this problem. Okay. Now here head note. Here head note you have to give. Here if you have used any figures in short form, means instead of 300 if you have used 3, then it may be given in 100 rupees, but you cannot use that. Means if in the body of the table if you have common zeros in all the cells, then only you can use that. Here we do not have common zeros in the numerical data, therefore you have to write completely, and also the size of the figures is not big, therefore you may accommodate in the table as they are. Therefore in this case head note is nil. Okay. Now I think you have followed this one. Now take the second problem. Now I think I may erase this because I have to take the second problem. Here second problem is given. In a sample study about youth internet users in 2 towns, the following data was collected. That is regarding youth internet users. Okay. 2 towns are given, town A and town B. It is given boys were 52%, means in town A the total strength of boys 52%, total internet users 65%, and girl non-internet users 15%. Then town B, girls were 46%, boy internet users 40%, and girl internet users 35%, and you are asked to tabulate. Now I am erasing this one. Now here also you have to first we have to find the characteristic. Here what are the characteristics? Here we have to take first one is town A and town B. Next one is here it is given boys and girls. Then we may take sex, boys and girls, and another one is internet usage. Internet usage, another we have to take internet users and non-users, users and non-users. Okay, these are the 3 characteristics given in the problem. In all the 3 characteristics there are 2 aspects. In each characteristics 2 aspects. Therefore you may club any 2 columns and remaining 1 to rows. I think we may take town and sex 2 columns, and internet users or usage of internet 2 rows. Now next, before taking the table, we have to decide the table title. Here first question is data refers to what? Here data refers to what? Internet usage. Internet usage where? In town A and B. When? The period has not given. How classified? Here town has taken in the question where, therefore when you take how classified, and even data refers to what? That is internet usage, that has come there itself. These two characteristics are already taken, therefore remaining one is sex. Therefore how classified? That is classified on sex. Therefore here the title is distribution of internet users, or you may take here distribution of youth internet users in town A and B on sex or by sex. Here you may take like this: internet. Here if it is confusing, here itself you take what data refers to what. Here you take fully youth internet users, that will be clear. Here you may take youth internet users in town A and B classified on sex, or distribution of youth internet users in town A and B by sex. I think you may write that title. I am telling distribution of youth internet users in town A and B by sex, or classification of youth internet users in town A and B on sex. Okay, now here take the table. You have to leave the space for taking table number, title and head note. Now here take okay. Now here we take internet users, internet users, internet usage, internet usage. Here take town A. Under that we have clubbed these two, town and sex. Therefore we will take boys, girls, total. Okay. Then take town B, same boys, girls, total. Okay. Now we need not take main total column because these data are for two different towns. That is for comparison purpose. We need not club this. Practically that is not possible, not necessary. Therefore here main total column is not necessary. Now under internet usage we come across internet users and non-internet users, then total. Okay. Now here give the table number. Table number here it is 5. Okay, then here you are going to write the heading Youth Internet Users in Town A and B classified on sex. Now, fill the given numerical data in the table first. Now, first take Town A, that is the first main column. Boys were 52%. Now, here in all the numerical data, the common factor is all the figures are given in percentage. Therefore, in the head note, every time you need not write percentage in the cell. Here you write head note, figures in percentage. Figures in percentage. Enough. Then you need not write every time. Now, boys 52%. Town A boys. Town A boys total 52. Then total internet users 65%. Means Town A internet users total 65. Then girl non-internet users 15%. Town A girl non-internet users. It refers to Town A girl non-internet users. Town A girl non-internet users, this cell 15. Okay. Now come to Town B. Town B girls were 46%. Means Town B total girls 46. Boy internet users, boy Town B boy internet users 40%. Girl internet users 35%. Town B girl internet users 35%. Now you have to fill the remaining cells. Now in each column or in each row, only one cell figures are given. What to do the remainings? Here the important thing here sorry the important aspect you have to keep in this type of problem is, see, all the figures are given in percentage. That means what? Here Town A boys were 52%. Percent means what? Per 100. Percent means per 100. That means what? Total is how much? Total is 100. This must be known to you. Otherwise, you cannot fill the remaining cells. Okay. Now, when you take this total, 52% means 52% means per 100. 52 boys means remaining 100 minus 52, 48 girls. Now, out of 100, 65 internet users means remaining 35 non-internet users. Then out of 35 non-internet users, 15 girls means remaining 20 are boys. Now out of 52, 20 non-internet users means remaining 52 minus 20, 32 internet users. Out of 65, 32 out of 65 internet users, 32 boys means remaining 33 girls, isn't it? Now Town A is completed. In the same manner, when you come to Town B, here when it is given girls were 46% means girls were 46%, cent means 100, means total is 100. Out of 100, 46 girls means remaining 54 boys. Next, out of 54 boys in Town B, 40 internet users means remaining 14 non-internet users. Out of 46 girls, 35 internet users means remaining 11, they are non-internet users. Now, total boys internet users 40, girls internet users 35, total internet users 40 plus 35, that is 75. Now here 14 plus 11, that is 25 non-internet users, are 100 minus 75, 25. Like this you have to solve the problem. Now here head note is given in figures in percentage, means we have to read all these figures as 32%, 20%, 52%, 33%, 15%, like that. Okay, now here as usual you have to give the footnote. I think you may write that. Here footnote, you have to give the expansion for the abbreviations used, that is B equals boys, G equals girls, T equals total, then IN equals internet, T equals that is already come total. Now source, as usual you have to write the source from the so and so given in the video session, like that you have to give the source. Here when the table is complete, you cannot leave the source blank. There you have to write the source. Okay, this is regarding the complete table. Now you may try some more problems like this, taking the information, when the information statistical data are given in the paragraph. Here first we have to find out the characteristics, and in each characteristics how many aspects are there, that also you have to find out. Then as usual, first you have to draft a blank table, then you have to fill the table with the numerical data given in the problem. Okay, thank you.